Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the citrus fruit preserve, made from oranges or other citrus fruits. This color is produced by combining shades of orange and yellow, resulting in a bright, warm orange hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Marmalade. Marmalade. Lade. Marmalade. Marmalade is crucial in the context of fashion, interior design, and branding, helping designers and marketers to create warm, inviting, and energetic palettes. It's a color often associated with warmth, energy, and comfort. If you enjoyed learning about marmalade, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.